I'm walking down Main Street in downtown Westport on Saturday at about noon, the day after the snowstorm that hit the town and the rest of the state. And as you can see, it's pretty much deserted. There's a strong wind that's coming through, flashing my face, and most of the stores appear to be closed, so I don't think they would get much business if they were open. This is a pretty uncanny sight for Main Street on a Saturday afternoon, and it's pretty stark also to see it cleared of most of the cars as well. So this is what it looks like, and we'll take a quick turn around. You can see there's a massive snow mountain, so to speak, accumulated in the middle of Post Road East at the intersection with Main Street. So you can see the prolific amount of snow that has fallen in the last 24 hours or so. It really is quite striking. There's just snow everywhere, and it has a rather north of the Arctic Circle feel to it. And not many people out either. A few snowplows that come through occasionally, a few folks out shoveling, working hard, but no shoppers that I'm seeing. And this is a pretty interesting and rare sighting that you'll get of Main Street in downtown Westport.